Okay, and lastly, I will explain about the price list for the equipment hardware that we use on this environment for this project. Okay, first I start with the router. We use one router. We use CP931 4P Cisco 931. The price is 8,166 and 20 cents. Okay, this is the Cisco router. Uh, Basically, all our equipment for network equipment we use Cisco product. And then we use CBS 350 switch. This is layer 2 switch. And we will put the switch at the cashier, staff room, and also the kitchen. And for access point at the dining area 1 and dining area 2, we use Cisco Small Business 560 wireless access point. The price is 1,172. And for the server, we have 6 server. We use HP ProLane ML110 G7. G7 is 7th generation server, and the price is quite cheap. 1,454 and 35 cents. We use 7th generation because I think for the basically for the small business at the restaurant, I think this server is quite enough. We doesn't need to use the high end server. Sorry if I am wrong. Okay, next for the rack server rack, we use Hammond H13042U 42BK, the data center server cabinet 42U racks unit. Okay, the price is quite expensive, 9,186. Okay, we use 42U racks unit because it can compactly for the all network equipment that we have used. Okay, for the power supply, unit power supply, we use APC Smart UPS 500 watt UPS, and the price is quite expensive because of the watt is quite high. So the price is 70,085 ringgit. And for the CCTV, we use RS Camtom and VR CCTV system. And the price is cheap. It's quite cheap for the 1,590. And Cisco Firepower 1150 ASA, this is the firewall for our network. We use just one firewall, and the price is 9,919. 16 and 83 cents. So I think for the Cisco product is quietly expensive, but for the support side, I think it's reasonable for this price. And for the single mode fiber patch cable, we use 3M SCSC simplex. For the server room, we use this just on the server room between the switch and router. We use fiber cable, and the price is 1,900, and we use 2U48 48 port Cat6 patch panel. We will use this patch panel on the server rack, and the price is 700. And we use Cat6 UTP patch cord, and the price is 400. And we also use hanging LCD display JSC 270 advertising player 27-inch digital, and the price is 672 and 21 cents. And this LCD display we will put at the kitchen for the ordering food system. And for the ThinkStation P330 tower, we will use at the staff room, and the price is 3,449 ringgit. For this tower, we use for the staff PC. Okay, this spec is quite high. Okay, for the Samsung Galaxy Tab A, we use for the we use at the dining area 1 and dining area 2 for waiter to take the order from client and from customer. And install dual screen Android terminal BOM post POS system. Okay, this is for the point of sale system, and we will put at the cashier, and the price is 4,599. And Canon Advanced IRC 5035 PSF, the price is 3,499. So this is the printer for the staff. We will put it at the staff room. And lastly, okay, sorry, I put the basically Cisco Meraki MS 390 24 port. Yeah, and the price is 14,793. Is actually the core switch for this network. So the price is quite expensive because we use core switch that support layer 3. So I think it's quite reasonable for the price for all the hardware. Okay, I think that's all from me. I have explained all the three parts for the network management, security, and price list. And for the price list, I just explain it briefly. And for the specification, doctor can see it on the report. That's all from me. Thank you.
And for this slide, I would like to present about the current physical design and future physical design. And for this slide, we have the current wiring design, which is fluorescent light trunk, and ceiling fans. And for the light trunk, it will be used to connect with the fluorescent light and ceiling fan to give them an electrical power. Okay, next we have the future wiring design. And for this part, we have two types, which is electric cabling and also network cabling. And for this slide, I will explain about the electric cabling, which is we have the air conditioner trunk and also electric cable. And for the air conditioner trunk, it will be connected with the aircon and into the PDU. And also we have the electric cable, which will be used to connect an electrical device, and also it will connect the switch. There are 5 switches in this future design, which is located at the kitchen, cashier counter, staff room, and also server room. And at the server room, all the switch will be connect into the core switch, which is at the server room. For the last slide, we have the network cabling, which is we have the point of presence, fiber cable trunk, UTP cable trunk, and patch panel. And for the UTP cable trunk, it will be used to connect with all the server rack, and also fiber cable trunk will be used to connect with all the switch, which is located at the kitchen, cashier counter, staff room, to the core switch, which is located at the server room. And also it will be connect into the point of presence, POP. And why we use the fiber cable trunk? Because it is high in bandwidth, high in speed compared to UTP cable trunk.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Anas bin Muhammad Hamdi. Today I will present about addressing and routing. First, I will talk about routing. The routing protocol that is being used in DigiCafe network system is point-to-point for the connection between router to establish. Second, SNMP will be used for the routing protocol, as both type of switch and router do support this type of routing protocol. Second point, I will talk about addressing. DigiCafe is using IPv4 class C 192.168.0.0/16 class first addressing schema. In this project, we only concentrate only 6 server, 2 router, 4 switch, and 2 access mode. Okay. Next, I will talk about IP network addressing table. This table the IP that they have been assigned for 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 every room. First, I will talk about server room. The IP, the network address is 192.168.0.0/28. The number of available is 14. Kitchen, kitchen room use IP 192.168.0.6.116/26/29. Number of available 6. Cashier, they have a 2 room, dinding 1 and dinding 2. Dinding 1 use a 192.168.0.25/29. Number of hosts available 6. Dinding 2 use a 192.168.0.32/29. Number of hosts available is 6. Staff room, the IP is 192.168.0.40/29. Number available is 6. Next, I will talk about IP addressing table. This table is a detailing of every router, switch, server, and IP. And for server room, Digital Cafe have a ISP gateway, core switch they have 2, NMS server, database server, application server, web server, email server, DNS server. So every switch, server and every switch and server, they have assigned IP 192.168.0.1 in DNS. The second, I will talk about kitchen room. Kitchen room, they have a kitchen switch and kitchen system. Cashier, they have a cashier switch, AP dinding area 1, AP dinding area 2, host system and ordering system. For staff room, they have a staff switch, staff PC, CCTV recorder, and printer. Okay, that's all for me.
To summarize, this project taught us to think widely in many range of a network analysis design. It helped us to get more knowledge on how to implement a new network design to give better quality performance for users. Besides, it encouraged us to study and learn the way how to design a better network to overcome the obstacles that can occur in a network. We hope that our network design could meet Chi Cafe restaurant requirements and help them manage the network efficiently for both staff and customers.